What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Adidas Harden Volume 7 metallic silver colorway. So let's find out where is the difference. As you can see here on the first sample, look at on the marking area here. There is no gap here between the silver part and the black part here. You can see on the authentic there is a little bit gap. Also here, look at the stitching on the fake one. There is no gap. The stitching here is slightly go down. It's too close with the midsole. Whereas on the authentic one, you can see between the midsole and the stitching here, there is a little bit gap. Moving to the forefoot, look at on the authentic one. The line here is right on the black on the outsole, right on the middle of the outsole. You can see here. Whereas on the fake one, slightly to the left. And also another sample again, still same. This one on the fake one is slightly to the left. And another sample again. This one there is no space here, there is no gap. This one also stitching is slightly go down. It should be like the authentic here. It has a little bit gap on the middle. Another sample again, still same. The flaws always here. It's pretty easy. It's pretty easy to spot. It's slightly go down, the stitching here slightly go down, there is no gap here. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see on the forefoot, the stitching here is too tall, it's too high on the fake one compared to the authentic. And also this one, you can see still same. There is no gap here on top. Also this one, the stitching here goes all the way down to the midsole. You can see we cannot see the stitching. Whereas on the authentic one, you can see clearly the stitching here and the gap between the stitching and the midsole. And this one also is another sample, always like this, still same, slightly go down. And another sample again, you can see big difference here, pretty easy to spot. The flaws are always here and here. Another sample again on the forefoot, you can see here the stitching is a little bit higher on the fake one compared to the authentic. Looking from above here, as you can see here, you can see the two box here is like the line is looking just straight horizontal compared to the authentic. The authentic, it's a little bit rounded. If you look from above here, take a closer look, see big difference. And moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see here on the authentic, there is a little bit gap between the stitching here. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see here, there is the stitching here, the padding on the back here is a little bit higher on the authentic compared to the fake one. The fake one, as you can see here, the stitching here is too close with this. There is no gap. Look at on the Adidas line here. It's not placed right in the middle. It's not connect. Slightly to the left. Another sample again. You can see the color. There is a less white. There is a less white color here. It's a little bit missing here. And moving to the outsole, as you can see here, the color is different. This one on the authentic is black. On the fake one is white. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it. And if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can make another video just like this. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video.